If you are into affiliate marketing or planning to start in 2026, then you might want to pay attention to this review because today we are talking about Affiliate Prompt Lab, a new AI-powered tool that claims to build complete affiliate marketing campaigns for you in minutes. Yes, instead of spending hours deciding what niche to choose, what emails to write, or how to promote a product, this tool works like a step-by-step guide that helps you create everything from strategy to content in one place. Affiliate Prompt Lab is a web-based platform where you simply choose your goal, like traffic, leads, or sales, then enter your niche, product, and audience, and the system starts generating marketing angles, email ideas, post captions, and promotional strategies automatically. The biggest advantage of this tool is its guided workflow, which means you don't feel lost because it tells you exactly what to do next, making it especially useful for beginners who often feel overwhelmed in affiliate marketing. It also includes a large collection of built-in affiliate strategies and AI-generated content ideas that can save a lot of time for bloggers, YouTubers, and digital marketers who want faster campaign creation. Another good thing is it works on any device, so you can access it from your phone, tablet, or laptop without installing anything. However, it's important to understand that this tool does not generate traffic or income automatically. It simply helps you build and organize your affiliate campaigns more efficiently, and your results will still depend on how well you promote your content and bring traffic. Overall, Affiliate Prompt Lab is designed to make affiliate marketing easier, more structured, and less confusing by using AI and guided strategies. And for anyone who wants a smarter and faster way to create affiliate campaigns in 2026, this tool represents a modern approach to building and managing affiliate promotions. For more details, check my bio link. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.